I'm gonna stay for... I still have 10 minutes and after 10 minutes, I'm gonna go na. Kasi mag-aantay pa ako ng sasakyan. Pabalik ng city. Sana makasakay ako kagad. You know what? I slept 2 a.m. I slept back to the city. Ang garat naman ng picture natin para bang masarili. Ay! Thank you naman, Sashi Kakashi. Thank you naman. Natural ring light. I'm in front of our window kasi. I'm going back to the city. For your POV. You can ask me now. You can ask me now. We still have like 10 minutes. I mean, it's 9 minutes. We still have 9 minutes. You can ask me. Kasi curious din ako. It's making me curious. You better ask me now. Next time na lang, hiya pamiha ba diya ka calm and soothing voice. Wow! Calm and soothing voice. You always notice my voice, guys. I mean, a lot of you say that my voice is really deep and para siyang boses ng lalaki. Sablay daw yan sa akin. Boy Tongkab. Hala, nalagi si Boy Tongkab dire. Nagapanungkab kag ano?
Yan, puput.
Na si Rafa guro na mo save ni Ja. Ay si Vida mangguro na. Rafa? Naitan aura food. No, I don't want to get married.